You open your eyes, and light explodes into colors no human has ever seen. The ocean around you glows in ultraviolet. Coral shimmers like liquid fire. Tiny ripples twist the light into secret patterns. Messages only you can understand. You're the mantis shrimp. You are one of the most powerful animals on the planet. You're the kind of neighbor the rest of the reef quietly fears. Let's talk about superpowers. Your punch, the reason you're famous, the reason scientists can't stop studying you. When you strike, your claw moves at about 50 miles per hour underwater. That's faster than a bullet leaving a handgun. You accelerate so quickly that the water around your club boils. Yes, you punch so fast you literally boil water. Tiny bubbles of vapor appear. They collapse in a micro-explosion, releasing heat, light, and shockwaves. So even if you miss your target, the shockwave that follows finishes the job. Your weapon never breaks. Your club is made from one of the toughest biological materials on Earth. Every strike could shatter bone, shell, or glass, but your arms remain perfectly intact. Your club is made of a crystalline structure layered with flexible chitin, the same stuff in insect shells, but reinforced at a microscopic level. The design prevents cracks from spreading, kind of like natural carbon fiber. This structure has inspired scientists to design impact-resistant materials, lightweight body armor, and even aerospace composites. Now, let's zoom out for a second. From a scientific perspective, you're a biomechanical masterpiece. Your punch isn't powered by raw muscle. It's a spring-loaded system, a biological catapult that stores energy and releases it in a fraction of a millisecond. Your lash locks the muscle in place. Tension builds, and when released, boom! All that energy explodes forward, creating the fastest strike in the animal kingdom. Crazy, right? Now, your eyes. That's a whole other level of superpower. Humans have 3 types of color receptors. You have up to 16. Scientists figured this out by looking deep inside your eyes. They found layer after layer of tiny light sensors packed into your eyes. Each one is slightly different, tuned to catch a specific color of light. Imagine walking outside and seeing not just colors, but textures of light, patterns hidden in sunlight, signals in reflections, secret messages that humans or other animals don't even know exist. Each eye of those amazing eyes sits on a long, swiveling stalk, able to move completely independently. One can look forward while the other glances behind, like having 2 tiny security cameras constantly scanning the ocean. Together, they give you nearly 360 degrees of vision. Scientists actually built special polarized light cameras inspired by your vision. Those devices can highlight early signs of cancer by detecting the same subtle differences in how light reflects off human tissue. And you don't just use your super eyes to see or hunt. Mantis shrimp communicate using light patterns. Flashes and reflections, invisible to most other animals. Each flicker of your shell can send a message. Stay away. I'm hunting. Or, hey, you look cute. It's like having your own private, color-coded language that only your kind understands. Even your vision keeps you safe. You can spot danger long before it spots you, detecting shifts in polarized light that signal movement or approaching predators. It's like having motion sensors built into your eyes. Most creatures survive the reef by hiding. You survive it by outsmarting anything that comes your way. It is possible that during those epic battles, the reef's toughest fighter take a hit. But when that happens, you rebuild. If you ever lose one of your powerful clubs, you simply grow it back. Not instantly, but perfectly. Over time, new tissue forms and reshapes until your arm is as strong as ever. And when you finally swing that rebuilt claw again, it's as if nothing ever happened. But your healing doesn't stop there. Your body produces special UV repair proteins that constantly fix sun damage at the molecular level, like a built-in mechanic for your own DNA. While other creatures age, your skin and shell quietly self-repair. Because no matter what the ocean throws at you, you've already evolved the comeback plan. So, yeah, you're a masterpiece, sculpted by nature and refined by evolution. Everything about you, from your color vision to your weapon mechanics, has something to teach us. You're helping humans improve their materials and refine medical devices. So, yeah, life as a mantis shrimp isn't just awesome. It's superhuman. You live in colors humans can't imagine. You see light that cameras can't record. You punch so fast you can make water boil. You can lose a limb and grow it back as strong as it was. And you've been doing it for hundreds of millions of years, long before we ever showed up to name it. You don't roar or chase or fly. You just wait, watch, and strike when it counts. A great ocean's superhero.